For real, for real. This is the small makeup kit I would pack for a quick weekend away to see a friend. I was just sitting here thinking about this and I thought, why don't I just turn the camera on? I haven't really thought about what I'm going to say at all, except for I'm sure of what I've chosen. If I needed to choose a very quick makeup kit for visiting a friend, now, I'm nearly 50, so we're not going out clubbing. I don't need the whole shebang. I just need to look okay when going out to brunch. And this is what I've decided I would bring. This is going to be such a quick video. I think I should also put a little video of me putting on these items right here while I talk, because I always talk longer than I mean to. Top 2 products that I would bring is first. Number 1 is an eyebrow pen. I'm still in love with NYX Lift and Snatch eyebrow pen in ash brown, where I can draw on individual hairs. Look at those hairs I drew on. Look at them. It's a little bit patchy today. I didn't do a great job. Like I said, I didn't expect to be on camera. And in a pinch, this eyebrow pen can double as a liquid liner. I like it. That's number 1. I could go anywhere with just this, actually. But if I didn't have to, number 2 would be Benetint Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain. Look at that gorgeous stuff. It's juicy. It's cherry colored. I love it. It's perfect for cheeks and lips, and I'm wearing it right now. Okay, we got number 1. We got number 2. Did I say I was going to take 5? I don't think I numbered them. Already talking too much. Okay, if I got to pick a third item, it would definitely be mascara. Now, I'm not saying this is the best mascara. It's just the best mascara for me because it doesn't flake into my contacts or smear around all day. And it's just CoverGirl Remarkable in brown, black, or black brown. Okay, so we have eyebrows, we have cheeks and lips, and we have, they're called eyelashes. Yeah. So what else do you need besides that? Well, everything after that is just extra. So if I got to pick a 4th item, I think that I would pick concealer. And that would just brighten up the corner of my eyes here and cover up that little, a broken capillary right there next to my nose. And I think that really brightens up my face. And sometimes I have these little broken capillaries up here that I like to disguise. So that would definitely be extra. I don't need it, but I like it. For the finale, if I could squeeze in 1 or 2 extra items, and I certainly could because this is nothing, because that lip stain that I brought is in a cherry color, I would like to bring this stay-in lip liner in nude because that will give me more of a neutral look that will be long-lasting. I did another video where you can see me putting this on and peeling it off, and it's a stain that lasts for hours. And with that, I would like to bring the accompanying lip elixir on top of it. And I really could get away with that kit for an entire weekend. That is small. That is teeny tiny for me. That would fit neatly in any travel case. I'm happy with it. If you like to talk about packing, you might want to watch this video on packing in a backpack right here. I'll see you soon.